elimination vote is, drum roll please again, Gyro Sky.
Oh no! Why am I eliminated? I don't know, it's not my problem. Well, I guess I'm going, guys.
Hey, don't worry. There's gonna be a rejoining it in the later episode. So, wait for that.
Alright.
Bye. Tan Broomy, I'm afraid to say this, but you are eliminated.
Oh no! I'm eliminated, no! Looks like this old man's leaving. Oh.
Any last words before you get automatically lift off?
Oh, I have no other words to say. Goodbye.
Ice Car, I hate to say this, but you are eliminated. That means Limula, Snowy F1, and Wild Teal get to have the last 3 of the ice bricks. Sorry, Wild Teal, but you're going... Looks like you're eliminated, bud. Oh. Before you go, any last words?
Good luck in Lavenderly. If you're seeing this, I hope you win for me. I hope you two win for me.
Alright, follow me to the cannon of the launch. Alright, we're here. Do you still have any more other last words before I put you in and get launched?
No, I already said my last words.
Alright. Hang on tight, it's gonna be a rough ride. System lifting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And Iron Bus, you got 1 elimination vote, but still, you're still safe.
Oh, sweet.
Green Holler, I'm afraid you're eliminated at 2 votes. What? Oh no! Why am I eliminated?
I don't know, it's not my problem. The voters chose you to be eliminated.
Oh man. Blizzard Truck?
Yeah?
Goodbye.
I'll try to win for you, I promise.
Alright, Green Holler.
Any other last words before I launch you?
Blue Surf Truck, if you're seeing this, please win for me and for the home team.
Alright, I'm gonna launch you off now.
Bye, guys.
Bye!